January to 2025 na ngayon pero hindi pa natatapos ang Pasko. Pag nakarating na ang tatlong haring mago which is January 6, yun na ang ending ng Pasko. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Thank you for watching.